nosy aunt that's like, where's your boyfriend? Are you ever going to be in a relationship? What do you tell him?
So my nieces and nephews asked me that, and I told them I was dating Santa Claus and he's been working, so...
They probably think you're so cool for that. Wake up.
This is so wrapped.
Which part of it?
Continuing to keep trying to make the next hottest pepper.
Right.
Why? The pepper?
Yes.
Are you going to cook with it?
You can.
Okay, and you can. Are you?
I'm sure somebody has.
I think you're getting my point.
I'm not getting it.
The only reason that these peppers exist is so that weirdos like you can challenge each other to some sort of big crotch contest.
I love the wake-up call. The wake-up call.
Hear the fun and funny every morning on the Wake Up Call. Catch up on what you missed. Text their podcast at endonline.com or on the free Odyssey app.
My journey with Dr. Rossi started when my girlfriends noticed that I wasn't smiling in my pictures because I was too ashamed of my teeth. That's when I knew I couldn't put off Invisalign any longer. Dr. Rossi's fun and caring staff and free teeth whitening for life have made all the difference in my smile.
Hi, this is Dr. Ronald Rossi. Mention hearing us on 106.5 and get a free take-home whitening for life. A take-home whitening system with custom trays. Find out more at rossidds.com or call 916-782-7733.
Switch to Verizon and you'll save. Get in the holiday spirit, Sacramento. Verizon has an extra gift for your family this season. You can save a lot. Get $800 in Verizon gift cards when you switch your family of 4 and get 4 new phones on us with select trade-in and unlimited ultimate. Great deals from Verizon. Great deals from Verizon. There's never been a better time to switch, but this offer won't last forever. So hurry in. Switch to the network America relies on. Get $800 in gift cards and get new phones for the whole family on us with select trade-in and unlimited ultimate. Visit your local Verizon store today. $999.99 device payment or full retail purchase with new smartphone line and unlimited ultimate plan required per phone. $200 Verizon e-gift card with port in per line. Plus $1,000 trade-in plus promo credit applied over 36 months. Promo credit ends if eligibility requirements are no longer met. 0% APR.
Mr. Candlelight, there you are.
I'm here for my counseling session.
Yes, you are. And I forgot you have a fear of opening doors. Please come in. You just need an incentive, like S&G Carpet's grand opening sale.
Grand opening sale?
S&G just opened a new showroom in Northwest Arkansas, and to celebrate, they'll pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring.
Even Karastan?
Even Karastan.
Ooh.
Let's practice, Mr. Candlelight.
20% off.
See?
I did
You
it.
just need to go into any showroom or shop at home with their mobile showroom.
20, 40, 60.
It's not cumulative, Mr. Candlelight.
What?
It's only during their grand opening sale that S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off.
I was just getting the hang of it. S&G Carpet is growing, and to celebrate the grand opening of their new showroom in Northwest Arkansas, this month S&G will pay your sales tax and give you up to 20% off select flooring, even Karastan.
S&G more than carpet.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you. Now offering tile and carpet cleaning.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. Now through November 28th, earn 2 times rewards points when you purchase participating items at Safeway for You. Download your exclusive digital coupon in the Safeway for You app and start earning 2 times rewards today. Then use your rewards on groceries or discounts on gas up to $1 off a gallon. Redeemable at participating Chevron or Texaco stations. Limit 1 offer per household. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at Safeway.com/for you.
Hey, it's Katie from the Wake Up Call and Total Beauty Experience.
Okay.